Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to leave a channel in Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to leave a channel into Slack, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after opening your Slack you can see all of your channels into here. Just simply select the channel which you want to leave, and after selecting the channel, tap into this channel name into top left. Then after this you will get this leave channel option into bottom. After scrolling down a bit, just simply tap into this leave channel option, and then you will successfully be left out of that specific channel which you want to leave. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.